still on the matter. Quick it there. Still on the matter on Street House on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. If they watch me live, quick it there. I tell you, so the 1, 9, 5. Oh shit, start time. Making out touch. If you touch the die, I know the blue person is still in the matter. But the question when I throw enter street today, so that me and my street men, me and my men on the road, on the streets, they just drop and one can, answer me one can. The question I be say is, it good for family or for relationship, me man and woman get equal rights. It good. That be the question when I throw enter street today. If you just tune in, my name is MC Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Back it. Madam, I just simple question. No fear, no wrong. Simple question. All right, sorry. She's now deaf and dumb, so she no fit answer me. So you know that kind of thing now. How far? You don't do any there since morning. Eh?
And since morning we don't do.
What happen? All of now they quiet.
They don't allow us to shade. Tax us, they disturb us.
That's what they disturb now.
Yes. They carry our market.
They carry our market since when?
Yes, since yesterday.
Yes. Where they carry go?
Alausa.
Carry out the market for Alausa.
Carry all our market.
They won't go shop am.
You don't know.
They shop some before they leave here.
They shop some
So when they
Yes.
sell drink, you know sell for road, they sell inside. Then carry all the drinks.
They go carry am. But it's still on the matter. My question when I throw now, they say yes, for relationship, I'll come back. But when I come, so I see things they want kind for this environment. So I need to ask separate question about what here happened today. But today, after this, I'll do under this thing, understand, under episode to ask. Okay, see for relationship, for husband and wife, for house, you good make woman and man get equal right for us.
Yes.
Yes.
Please civilize world.
Civilized one. So you don't want to talk again. Okay.
It's good make them get the same equal right now.
Why you talk like that?
The woman no be the man's slave now. Yes, they agree to get together. So they agree on things they will do in the house. So it's equal right. You don't have to. Yes.
Mama, I say wait till come back again.
If you love your husband or your wife, you'll be equal.
Okay, now, so you need to do this equal if they love each other.
Yes.
All right, still on the matter on Street House on Wazobia TV. Back there, I tell you. Oh shit, feel it. Madam, why you run before?
Leave me alone.
All right, still on the matter on Street House on Wazobia TV, and I like this with the door. Madam, good afternoon. Good morning. Now Wazobia TV be the Street House on the matter. Back it there. Madam, a simple question I just want to ask you. You good man and woman, they get equal rights for relationship.
Of course, yes.
Why you talk like that?
Equal rights for your relationship. It balances everything now. Of course, yes.
No say man's na him be man. You know woman not supposed to get the same.
Man, of course. Even the Bible says we should be submissive. The woman should be submissive to the man. Irrespective of that, that should not rob us from our rights, rob the man of respecting us. Because respect, they say, is a reciprocal. So if I respect and love you as a man, you should accord the same thing to me. That's it.
They make point. All right, back it there. So the matter on Street House on Wazobia TV. Hello. Yeah, hello. If you shout hello 2 times, 3 times, you know answer, I mean nothing a bad network. Still the matter. Street House. Back it there, bro. Afa. Yeah. Afa na Wazobia TV. As you do like this, you don't marry, abi?
I never married.
Okay, but you get babe, Nabi.
No, I don't get babe.
Why you not get babe? You be homosexual.
No, I don't be homosexual. Only that I'm trying to be honest to myself.
Yeah, you are trying to be honest with yourself.
Say yes, because you know, say when I have baby, I don't have any other girl I'm dating now. You know, I'm not sure whether I will marry her or not. You know,
But you
did
Tom
as her. No, but no, I have a girl before.
But the girl
since when she, I'm alone. No, like break my heart by
scattering the heart. I know what you mean.
Yes.
All right, if you date for a relationship, good make husband and wife get the same equal right for marriage or relationship.
No, as man, you know, as the head of the house, As an all things, everything get control as they be. Woman as own get respect for her own side. Yeah. You as a man, you get your own level as for inside house as a head man inside house. Yeah.
Okay, so you supposed to get your own level. That means you supposed to know where you belong to in any.
Yes, yes. You know how you learn how to handle your family and your mom or your woman you married.
Now wait till you want to.
Yes, yes.
All right. Thank you. Now, good morning. Good morning. Elesi. Hey, nobody should sleep. Nobody should sleep in this garage. Oh. Nobody should sleep in this garage. Oh, nobody should sleep here. This one I Wazobia TV. For relationship, you don't marry.
I never marry.
Okay,
I still there on the road.
Guy now.
I no get it.
You don't get that guy. That guy when they come meet you for night sometimes.
I no get
You
it.
tell me not lie. That guy.
I just dey fine. I no get it. I know I dey fine since I no get.
For relationship, you could make man and woman they equal. May they do equal, get equal rights.
Yes now.
You go, why you talk like that?
Wetin man get wey woman no fit get? Wetin man dey do wey woman no go fit do?
Why you talk like that? Madam, you support her?
Yes.
May they do,
Make dem dey equal.
may they do equal rights.
Yes.
Like
If man get money, make woman get. Woman dey work, man dey work now.
woman they wash clothes, man say go wash clothes.
To help us, to help,
Division of labor.
Yes. No, so if man they carry woman, and make woman they carry woman.
yes, yes, na equal rights.
Equal rights.
Yes.
So if man they carry 4 women for outside, or carry 4 men.
Yes, so, yes,
Madam,
so.
did you support that? Madam, did you support that?
I don't have anything to say.
You have something to say.
No, I don't have anything.
Madam, you have something to say. Auntie, come do your nail, come do your nail.
Hey,
Come do your nail.
hey,
So
come do
if
your
man
hair.
dey do nail, you sef go do nail too.
Man dey do latches, man dey do nails.
Eh?
Yes now.
They dey open ear.
Yes.
Man dey do woman to woman. Woman dey do man to woman. Leave me.
This your hairstyle now, wow. Nothing, no. I not support that thing when they talk so. So no woman go if the same equal right for waiting now. You yourself check her now. Now I'm say respect no come dey the house now.
Oh, abeg, dey go that one now.
All right, still on the matter. Who be that? Wait.
I take God beg you. I don't hear English very well. Yoruba go take
Now
some.
preaching Yoruba all of them. It good.
For waiting.
Men, man and woman, they dey for house. They make them get the same equal right.
Many days for equal rights like how?
Man, they go dey do equal right. They go dey do the same thing with man.
Yes now.
Why?
Because man they do work, woman too they do work now. Yes, of course. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ò tẹ gbọ́ English púpọ̀.
Ẹ sọ Yorùbá
Ṣé kẹ̀kẹ́ Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ kúrẹ̀ yọ ọkùnrin? Wàhálà ẹ̀ ṣe bá gbélé.
Ọlọ́run bàbá.
Wàhálà ẹ̀ ṣúṣẹ́ làwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ kùtà kúrò àbí màmá wò ni wọ́n. Tó o bó ṣe wà nìyẹn.
Ti ṣe é tẹ́lẹ̀ ni.
Wọ́n bọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ wọn sá lọ ni. Sọ àwọn alábẹ́kùtẹ́ bá ń
Ókè
bẹ̀ wọ́n.
wọ́n mọ́lẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n sá lọ.
Agbọ́ mọ́lẹ̀ wọn sá lọ.
Wọ́n sá lọ.
Àwọn bí màmá wò ni wọ́n. Ẹ jẹ́ túbọ̀ mi bẹ̀jọ́ ọba kọ́jà kan fún wa lọ́rùn lè yaba. Kọ́mọ̀jà ṣiṣẹ́ aṣẹ́wó. Níbo mi tá a lọ o. Gbogbo ṣé àwa lọ fọ́ o. Ẹ jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ máa wáṣẹ́ síbò mi.
No wahala. Thank you very much. All right, still on the matter on Straight Yards on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Auntie, good morning. How far? Yeah, no, not be stressed. Man and woman. If they marry for it's good when they get the same equal right.
Yes, so.
Why you talk like that?
They have to get equal right because after all, we be human being. Quite all right, man and woman. That's why they be married couple. They have to get equal right because they are together in the house. They are both matured people. They have to get their own understanding from each other. That's just it.
Back it there. Oh shit, feel it. Bruh, you don't marry.
Yes.
Father, you never marry.
I'm married. I'm a married woman.
Why your ring?
I'm not with you, but I'm married. I'm a married woman.
Sorry. Okay, your hand too big, so you know if you wear ring.
That's none of your own problem.
Lie. You never marry.
I said I'm a married woman.
You never marry.
I'm a married woman.
You never marry. All right. I want Mariana.
It's impossible.
Who tell you it's impossible?
I'm married.
All right, see what you did there. Man and woman for us, who made it get equal right?
The boats.
Both.
Yes, we both have equal
Speak
rights.
pidgin English, I beg. This is your English, they give me heart attack.
We both have equal rights.
Why?
None of us is a slave. We have equal rights. So that's it. I'm not quarreling with you. I was just explaining something to
No,
you.
they aggressive. The way they hold the man, I don't understand. People like you, now they command the man. Come on, enter us.
It's a lie. We both have equal rights.
Are you sure?
I'm not a slave. He's not my slave.
So if you wash plates, the woman go to split.
No, as a wife, I have my responsibility to take in the house. And as the husband, he also has his own responsibility. So that is it. We both have equal rights. Yes.
Equal right.
His own is to feed the family and the wife.
If the man they
Carry all my expenses.
If the woman they
Carry the children expenses.
If the woman they carry the man they carry 4 women outside, you carry 4 women.
That's his own cup of tea.
You don't carry.
No, it's impossible. My own responsibility is just for him to take care of me and my children.
To take care of you.
Yes.
You don't want to know when
Give me what I want.
Oh my God. Give me a 5. Correct. All right, still on the Mountain Street channels of Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name is MC Shaggy, channel 195. Back it there. Oh shit, back it. I need to ask one guy when he say yes, go tell me real answer. When I know say if I come up for this place. Real answer, baby, how far how you do? Wazobia TV. How far are you there?
No, I don't want to be.
You have to talk. You're already talking now.
What am I talking?
Yeah. You're already talking now. Are you in a relationship?
No.
Yeah, you never married?
No.
Why? Which one you can do? Which one you want to be?
No.
Forget. Which one you want to do? I want to marry you.
I don't want to get married.
I want come on, I go marry you. You won't be so you lean. Just smoke dry, finish. Forget that thing. No, forget. Now me get level now. You don't see me consign designer. They are father. See what you did there. But I dey do program, daddy. See what you did. I dey do program. Say, if for relationship, a good man and woman get equal rights.
Yes, now.
Why you talk like that?
Why they not get equal rights?
What do they promote?
Who be the man?
Who be the man?
They are the same person now. So why the man can't get rights over the woman? I don't understand.
No. You talk true now. You don't like make you control your husband.
Not controlling.
Which tribe you be?
I'm from Delta.
Delta. You sure say you be Delta girl?
Yes.
Delta with the no man now they get ahead. Which one be your one?
I don't know about that one.
You don't know about that
No.
one? All right, so let the man tell straight here and speak it. I need one man. Oga.
I know
How far?
fine. No,
Come talk. You must talk.
I dey go work. I don't late.
You not lie. You know they
No,
not late.
oh God, I don't late.
You never late. Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Artist now.
Okay.
I just want to ask you a quick question now. Wazobia TV be this. All right, see, if for relationship, my nick I know they come out.
Yeah, sorry for that.
See, for relationship, it good make a man and woman get equal right for marriage.
It's not good.
Why you talk like that? Give me a reason.
You want to know the reason? Oh, yeah, man now. You're supposed to know the reason now.
I know, because I never married.
You have not married. Are with your age?
Oh, I don't marry you. All right, so let the matter on street channels of Wazobia TV there. Quick there. Now like this, we still wrap her up. My name is MC Shaggy. Make you not touch the die. If you touch the die, I go tell this guy, may bust your head.
What of
Your head.
What of your?
My guy, which you smoke?
No, I mean I know they smoke.
You know they smoke?
I know they smoke.
It's your, we don't finish program. I feel they go.
What of your?
Your day, your day. They love all of the day.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.